Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version Skill Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, later 1 and 2. So, let's see. Term and word, today's class 6, subject English first paper, topic later 1 and 2. Lecture 13, SW will be 11. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number. Messenger ID Ariful Bari, and today's date 11/10/2020. So let's start the class. So annual term lecture 13. Number 1, write a letter to your friend about the importance of physical exercise. So first I would like to tell you that if you give the date here in these portions, you will write your affectionately, your sincerely yours in this period. And if you write this date in this place, you will write the sincerely yours in these portions. Okay? So where you put the address, you will put the last portions. If you write the address here, put the last portion here. If you write the address here, you will put the last portion in this part. Okay? So we're starting first giving the address 25E Dhanmondi, Dhaka, 11 October 2003. If you give the date first, you do not put to comma here before 2020, 11 October 2020. My dear Munir, comma. If you put a comma here at the finishing point, you will have to use a comma. If you do not put a comma here, you need to put a comma here. So, my dear Munir, I'm happy to learn that you are going on well with your studies. But in the letter, there is no mention of your physical activities. You know that health is wealth. A boy of ill health cannot reach his goal. So, it needs no telling the importance of sound health to you. In order to maintain a sound mind, you are to keep your body fit at first, and it is physical exercise which enables a student to maintain a good physique. Hard work, perseverance, punctuality, sincerity, etc. are needed to cut a good figure in the examination. And this is not possible without a strong and stout body. If you fail to keep your body sound, you will lose all zest of life, and then life would be dull and meaningless to you. You were told to take physical exercise regularly so that you can keep your body fit. Number today, convey my best regards to parents and younger Sneha. Your affectionately, comma, fine. You know how to draw the envelope in the exams. I'm not giving the envelope. Number 2, write a letter to your friend about the last annual prize giving ceremony of your school. The same here. I have put the address here, 40 by 1 New Elephant Road, Dhaka, 11 October 2020. My dear Tania, I'm very happy to receive a letter of the 15th instant. You asked me to give you a graphic description of the annual prize giving ceremony of your school. So you can start a new para from here. You can write also in this way. Okay, if you make a para here, another para here from the prize giving ceremony, you can start, no problem. So the prize giving ceremony of our school was held yesterday in the school compound. We decorated the school building very tastefully. The function began just at 10 a.m. with recitation from the Holy Quran. The TNO was in the chair. The headmaster read out his report. Then the main ceremony began. The headmaster called each recipient by name, and the president gave away the prizes and shook him by the hands. I took part in some events. I got 2 prizes. When the formal meeting came to an end, we staged a short drama to entertain the guests, which was highly appreciated by the audience. This being over, the headmaster thanked the president for the trouble he took in coming to the function. A concluding song suited to the occasion was sung by a student of class 6. I'm very fine. Convey my good wishes to your parents. I shall be highly pleased if you give me a vivid description of yours. Yours ever, comma, Raisa. So I'm not also giving the envelope also. This letter you will do by yourself. And his homework 11 will be submit on Sunday. Homework 11, letter 1, write a letter to your friend about the importance of physical exercise. So homework 11, submit on Sunday. Letter 1, write a letter to your friend about the importance of physical exercise. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday with the native to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday with the native to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBS City and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.